Hello everyone, welcome to Masterclass. What is the file extension in Photoshop? PSD, Photoshop document. What is the full form of RGB? Red, green, blue. What is the meaning of CMYK? Cyan, magenta, yellow, black. The full form of GIF. Graphics interchange format. What is the meaning of SNHSB color model? Saturation. Which color mode is used for printing? CMYK. What kind of colors are red, yellow and blue? Primary colors. The images are made of pixels. What is the shortcut key to create a duplicate layer? Ctrl+J. Raster image is also known as bitmap image. What types of graphics are made of pixels? Bitmap image or raster image? Which tool is used to select a similar pixels? Magic wand tool. Which tool is used to fill single color in background? Paint bucket tool. Which key is pressed while using the clone stamp tool? Alt key. What is the shortcut key to zoom out? Ctrl-. What is the shortcut key to zoom in? Ctrl+. Shortcut to remove the selection on the image. Ctrl+D. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, like and subscribe our channel.